Good morning to all of you, students. I'm sure that you are all of you fine. Okay, so today we are going to study children at work. It's a famous story written by Gita Wolf, Anushka Ravishankar, Arijit Sen. It has been taken from Trash on Rag Picker Children and Recycling. So, this story, when we are going to discuss, before entering inside the story, let's discuss about the title of the story, Children at Work. Now, see, children, they are the future of the nation, the most beautiful creation of the God. Where they are going now? They are all going for work. So, you can understand that children whose main purpose is to enjoy their life, to develop their future. Today they are all going for work. So who are they? They are all rag pickers. So you can understand what a pathetic situation is there in their life for which they have to go today for work. Now let us discuss about that point, that why they have to go for work. Definitely the first point is the economic problem of the family. That means there is a great need in the family for which they have to go for earning money. Now, that is not the complete 100% reason that all children go for work only for money. Few have the unhappy homes also. Maybe at home certain situation is there for which they are compelled to leave their home. So today we are going to discuss about that fact only. The main character in the story is Vilu and one more character, that is Jaya. Now, why Vilu left his home? Actually, Vilu's father, what he was doing, whatever the money Vilu and Jaya, both of them were earning, maybe they are doing some odd jobs by their hard work, whatever they were earning, that he was snatching away. And he was not only snatching, and he was using it for drinking purpose. In fact, when Vilu was not giving, he was beating also, and that Vilu could not tolerate anymore. So he was compelled. In fact, he felt that he had to leave his home. He had no other option. So anyhow, he traveled by train. He boarded in a general compartment. He was lucky enough that the ticket collector didn't enter in the general compartment. So he came to Chennai without ticket only. He tried to sleep in the train, but as he was near the bathroom area, so many people were disturbing, playing cards whole night. So he couldn't sleep also. When Vilu got down from the train, still his legs were feeling wobbling, as if still he is in the running train only. So that was the condition of Vilu. So what to do? New place. He doesn't know anyone. So he was sitting in the platform area only. And then there he met with Jaya. In fact, Jaya only introduced herself or tried to develop a bondage with Vilu. Jaya only started to discuss first. And you can understand that when Jaya was talking, Jaya was understanding so many things. She was quite experienced. She knows much better about the life. She had seen, she had faced all the difficulties. Whatever the difficulty Vilu is going to face today, all this type of difficulty she had already faced. Vilu was quite hungry. Last 2 days, only little piece of peanuts, few peanuts and jaggery, that only he had eaten. So he was extremely hungry, and that Jaya understood. So Jaya told, if he goes, if Vilu goes with her, so she can help to get the food. And you can't believe it, where they had gone. They found a big marriage hall is there. In between, when they are crossing the road, certain points are there. That is very very important here, because Chennai Central Station area, just outside of that area, high road is there. Continuously vehicles were moving here and there. And Bilu had come from the village area. He had not seen that many vehicles and that much busy traffic. He had never seen. So he was not able to cross the road. He was hesitating. Anyhow, Jaya only helped him to cross the road. In fact, Jaya was making some funny comments also. Jaya told, if you are not able to cross properly, maybe you will become chutney. That term you should understand. So many terms you will find here. How Jaya was speaking, that shows that Jaya is a character of humor. She has lots of humor. Sometimes she will address Vilu as Mr. Vilu. Then chutney term, you are posing like a hero. And then when they came to the marriage hall area for eating, Vilu was quite excited. Why? Vilu thought that he was already hungry. So he thought that there is a chance to get food inside. So he was excited also. But finally, they had gone at the back of the marriage hall. What was written in the marriage hall? Sri Raja Rajaswari Prasanna Kalyana Mandapam. So they have gone to the back of the hall. There was a big dustbin, garbage bin was there, and from there Jaya was collecting food for Vilu. Vilu was shocked and surprised. Though his economic condition was not good, but that was not the situation that he had to take food from the garbage bin. But Vilu was so hungry, he couldn't tolerate it anymore. Anyhow, whatever the squeezed banana and vada was offered by Jaya, that only he had eaten. He was so hungry, he wanted to eat more. But Jaya didn't get anything more. So Jaya was doing like a rag picker's work. In the station area also, we have seen Jaya was collecting lots of plastic cups, bottles, etc. And there also she collected. And again, Jaya had gone to her home to get one more bag so that she can collect more. Bilu was quite inquisitive to know that how she is doing the work, what she is collecting, where she sells. So it was told that she sells all these things to Jambajar Jaggu. And when this work was given to Vilu, because Vilu had no other option to survive, Jaya is only the source to help him. So he was with Jaya only. So when Vilu got this job from Jaya, Vilu was surprised that how he can do this type of work. Anyhow, Vilu decided that this work definitely he will do until and unless he finds a better opportunity. So in this way you can understand that Vilu, how he was turned into a rag picker. Thank you.